Introduction. Hilton hotels are renowned for their reliability, inventiveness, and rich global reach, making a team household name in the hospitality sector. Since its founding in 1919, Hilton has expanded to become one of the biggest hotel chains in the world, running thousands of establishments in more than 120 nations. Modern travel has been greatly influenced by the brand's introduction of a number of industry innovations, such as the first airport hotel, centralized reservations system, and in-room televisions. The company is also well known for its Hilton Junior loyalty program, which is among the best in the business and gives members access to special perks, incentives, and worldwide flexibility. Hilton has built a solid reputation as a reliable and significant leader in the global hospitality industry, thanks to its dedication to providing excellent customer service, operational excellence, and guest satisfaction. Our vision and mission. Vision: to fill the cart with the flight and warmth of hospitality. Mission: to the preeminent global hospitality company, the first choice for guests, the members, and owners.
History of Hilton Manila. The Manila Hilton was inaugurated in 1968 as the first five-star international hotel in the Philippines. Designed by architects Carlos Argiles and Welton Beckett, it was the tallest building in Manila for over 2 decades, becoming the nexus of Manila social life. In 1995, it became a Holiday Inn, and in 2003, was acquired by Waterfront Hotels and renamed the Manila Pavilion. A major fire in 2018 caused severe damage and fatalities, and the building is now undergoing renovations for a planned 2026 reopening. So, yung history ng Hilton Hotel brand, nagsimula siya noong 1919 nung binili ni Conrad Hilton yung kanyang first hotel na The Mobley Hotel in Cisco, Texas. The first hotel to use the Hilton name was the Dallas Hilton in 1925, and the brand is known for several industry firsts, including the first airport hotel and the first international hotel chain. Hilton Hotels and Resorts is now the flagship brand of the Global Hilton Corporation, which also runs a popular guest loyalty program called Hilton Honors.
The story of Hilton begins with Conrad Hilton, who purchased his first hotel, the Mobley Hotel in Cisco, Texas in 1919. He opened the first hotel to use the Hilton name, and the Dallas Hilton in 1925, and the Waco Hilton in 1927 was the first with air conditioning in public areas. Hilton became a pioneering force in the hospitality industry, introducing innovation like room service and in-room television, and later expanding the company into an international hotel chain after forming Hilton Hotels Corp. in 1946.
Here the facilities and amenities at Hilton Manila, Newport World Resorts Pasay. General and location. 356 modern guest room with features like 55-inch smart LEDs. The Hilton Serenity bed, 4-point bathrooms, vanity separate bathtub and rain shower. Digital key technology for Hilton Honors members. Use smartphone tablet as room key. Non-smoking property, some designated smoking areas by the pool and adjacent casino. Free self-parking secured and covered. Valet parking is also available. There's usually a fee for valet. Dining bars, multiple dining venues, kusina sea kitchens, interactive buffet seafood plus Filipino dishes, Huayuan, Brasserie, Choi Noise Modern Shanghai, Madison Lodge Bar, coffee grab and go options, cocktail, bar bites. Port Bar, premium whiskey, beer, spirits. Freestyle Pour Bar, bar by the pool, 24-hour room service. Recreation and wellness. Outdoor resort style, pool with sun, longers. Children's pool, 24 hours fitness, century. Live entertainment. Business and event. Meeting, banquet facilities, total meeting space is about 9,700 square feet. Large ballroom, 6,156 square feet, and secondary meeting rooms. In-room amenities, air conditioning, soundproof room, flat screen, TV minibar, coffee tea facilities, deep soaking bathtub plus separate shower, rainfall style, free toiletries, hair dryer, towels, connecting adjoining rooms available. Family and accessibility, children's amenities, free infant cots, children's pool, children's menu, facilities for disabled guests, wheelchair access, accessibility rooms, facilities. Other service, 24-hour reception front desk, concierge service, luggage storage, laundry, dry cleaning, housekeeping. Paid Wi-Fi in rooms, some public areas may have free Wi-Fi. Pet-friendly rooms with fee and size limits.
So for additional, Hilton Manila has pet-friendly rooms because Hilton Manila is pet-friendly.
Here's a quick look at Hilton room rates and deals. A basic guest room starts at around 11,800 pesos. One bedroom king suites go for 20,100 pesos. Deluxe rooms with high floors or pool views range from 21,000 to 28,000 pesos and above. Standard rooms with breakfast starts around 7,100 pesos and can go up to 9,000 pesos depending on promos. Hilton Honors members may get lower rates about 9,500 to 10,000 pesos. Price vary based on dates, booking sites, and ongoing deals. Whether you book on hilton.com, Agoda, booking.com, or Make My Trip, local taxes and service charge of 10 to 12% may apply, so check the final total before you book.